Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm AO. This is day number 240 of my 365 days of art, and in today's drawing I decided to draw another female character. As I said in yesterday's video, I felt as though I had reached some sort of accomplishment in drawing male characters. I said it for many weeks now that I've been wanting to draw more male characters, and after drawing a couple of them I feel as though I'm finally reaching my goal. But with that being said, I feel as though I'm lacking in drawing two things. First is more attractive female characters, and second is drawing expressive characters. I would like to draw more different perspectives or characters that are showing different emotions. Also, I try to draw a lot more portraits with backgrounds, and I feel as though I'm really lacking in drawing backgrounds. So these are just things that I keep a mental note of. I write it down as well, and things that I want to pursue in the future, just to practice them. I might include them in my daily art, and I might draw apartments, which I've done in the past. Like I've drawn backgrounds of like gardens or apartments and whatever it may be, so I might do that as well in the future. But yeah, I draw a female character. She came out well. This is Mina. I drew her before with her cat, so this time I just drew her with just a portrait style drawing. I will kind of focus on my original characters from now on, because I would like to draw like characters that are much closer to me emotionally, I guess. So that's kind of my goal right now. But anyway, I have nothing more to say. I'm just gonna end my voiceover here, but the video is like 4 minutes long, so feel free to watch the entire video until the very end. And if you like this sort of content, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Comment about what you think, and also comment about what you would like me to paint next. If you'd like to get in contact with me, you can find me on Instagram the most. And what else? That's about all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Bye bye.